Hi there, I'm Vanessa from Performance Ford in Lincoln. Today we're going to talk about fuel economy and maintenance that is essential, especially for long rides. If you're planning a long road trip this summer, it is very important that your car has proper fuel economy and is well maintained. When talking about Fords and Lincolns, although these cars are highly reliable for long road trips, that does not mean we as responsible drivers should check to see if the car itself is roadworthy or not. The first most important thing you need to check is your car's battery. Also, make sure it is in proper condition. Next, check whether the car's electric equipment is working. We should always check whether the headlights and the car warning systems and the indicators are also working perfectly. You should definitely check the car's engine and see whether the oil needs changing. A car should also be tuned properly for the best mileage and best fuel economy. Visibility while driving is a key concern. You should also make sure that your windshield wipers are working properly. You should check whether they are cleaning properly or leaving any streaks of water. It is also a safe bet to remove and replace the old ones. Last but not least, you can always carry a roadside safety bag in case you get any trouble on the road. We at Performance Ford in Lincoln will provide all the maintenance services that you require to make sure your vehicle is ready to embark on a long ride without any trouble. We will give your vehicle the care it requires and provide quality products that are worth your money. For any questions, please visit us at our website and we will be more than happy to assist you.